229 crore rupee passenger jetty project at Radio Club in Colaba near Mumbai's iconic Gateway of India has sparked a major uproar among residents. Now, the project was announced by Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar in the state budget is now facing strong opposition. The Maharashtra government says that the project will ease ferry congestion and improve travel to major tourist spots like Elephanta, Mandwa and Alibag. But residents argue that Colaba's roads are already struggling with traffic and encroachments, and this jetty will only make things worse. Some even fear it could lead to flooding. While the opposition to the jetty project grows louder, Colaba MLA Rahul Narvekar has assured locals that their concerns will be addressed. Meanwhile, Maharashtra Minister of Ports Nitish Rane defends the project and insists that it will benefit the residents.
Mumbai city's iconic tourist place, Gateway of India, will never be the same. I'm saying this following the decision taken by Maharashtra government of making a new jetty here at Colaba. I'm standing at the Colaba Causeway, and this is the exact location where the proposed jetty is taking shape. Now, this is exactly between the Gateway of India, the Taj Hotel and the Radio Club. Now, the residents of Colaba are opposing this decision. They are saying there's something fishy behind this project because despite giving opposition, despite opposing this project and suggesting another area for this project, the government continued to go ahead with the project, and after finance minister announced and allocated 229 crore rupees to this project, within 3 days groundbreaking ceremony had happened at this exact location. Now the challenges according to the residents are this area is entirely traffic jammed in the evening. Even now you can see the cars are parked on both sides of the road, and especially when there are special events, VIP movements in this area, there is double parking, as well as there are problems including the hawkers, illegal encroachments in the area. Now adding more to it, especially during the monsoon, the waves of sea hit this wall, and the water is every year seen coming on this road. Now once this project is ready, the residents fear that the situation of flooding will worsen. It will open more entry points for the water for the flooding in this entire area. Now the Colaba residents are raising voice against this project only to save Colaba from getting destroyed.